So as you can see, we are out here on the field at the Texans game. How amazing is that? Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, Fit with Tiff 100. I wanted to share with you the steps I took to lose 130 pounds. Three secrets that I used to pay off $100,000 in student loan debt.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the Fit Lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright, coming in, flex, pump up the action, I'm active, if he never heard of being dope, he just napping, Jackson's, off the rapping, keep it on my body, I'm broke if you ask it, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright.
Hi, thank you. So what's up YouTube, Tiffany Chanel here, Fit with Tiff 100. I am just about to head into getting ready to prepare to hold the flag with one of my colleagues and good friends. And this is gonna be so much fun. I've never been able to hold the flag at the Houston Texans game on the field before, so I'm really looking forward to it. So I just wanted to take you along with us on this treat. See you soon. Right now we're trying to figure out where we go in. Since we'll be carrying the flag, we'll go in a different location. But while we're waiting on that, I just want to show you my outfit for today. I've got my clear Texans bag, my hat, my Texans shirt, of course the badge to get us into the box seat. And yeah, and my cute little red bow. Go Texans. flag out on the field. So we've got the flag, and we're about to go out in the front and carry it onto the field. We're about to go out to the field.
Just kneel, Tiffany, don't be like that. I'm taking pictures of you.
Did you get it on here?
My own. The entire experience.
So as you can see, we are out here on the field at the Texans game. How amazing is that? The players are currently practicing. I'm not even sure if you can hear me because of the music in the background, but yeah, fun times. The lady that's been leading us the whole time. What's your name? Selena. Say hi, Selena.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then it vanish. I can't stand it. Out of all the way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables setting, now tables turn. God's plan, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop.
This is a journey for me. I'm still not done, and that's why it's called a journey, I suppose. But if you would like to share this journey with me, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below. And that way you will be able to stay tuned for more of my videos in the future. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, YouTube.